Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text transformation. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS text transformation property with uppercase letter. The uppercase letter is going to be specified using our text transformation property along with the uppercase value. And again, the CSS text transformation property is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in the text. It can be used to turn everything into uppercase or lowercase letters, or capitalize the first letter of each word. So I'm going to be showing how all this works now. We are going to be specifying uppercase. So let's go back to our document. Right here, this is our document now. Previously, we have all these kind of things where we discussed about the introduction to the CSS text transformation playlist. You can check it out in our channel. Right now, let's change all these letters to uppercase so you can see the way the word is going to look. Right here, we are having all these words inside our word, inside our H1 element. So I'm going to select the H1 element. When I specify the H1 element inside it, I'm going to say text. I'm going to create this property text transformation. So the thing I want you to notice right here is that this is text transform. So before you miss it out, this is not text transformation. This right here is going to be text transform property, because when you are using it, you are not going to put mention there. You are just going to put text transform. So when inside it, after the text transform, then you are going to specify the value, which is whatsoever value you're trying to use. So let's get back to the document now. I'm going to change this to text transform playlist. You can check the transformation playlist also, or the text transform playlist. You are going to find the tutorial in that two playlists, so you can be able to understand what is going on. So I'm going to use it right now. When I use text transform, I'm going to specify uppercase and save my document. As you can see, we are selecting our H1 tag, which is this, because all the document inside it is the one we want to change to uppercase. So when we reload our document now, can you see how are you doing today? All the text change to what? Uppercase. We can do the same thing to this our text at this place also. So how can we do that? We come here, come to our legend element. This is our legend element. We can copy the legend element, come here and specify text transform, the text transform property, and give it what? Uppercase. When you give it uppercase, let's reload our document. Can you see everything turns to what? Uppercase letters. I want you guys to stay focused again. There is another way we can do this. We can just remove all this here. Save our document first. Reload. Can you see everything come back to the normal way? Only this doing that we highlighted right here, we can give it text transform property just to make it uppercase. So we can give it uppercase. When we specify our document, we reload. Can you see the doing is having uppercase? There is also another way we can do this. Let's see, by specifying the body element. When we select the body element, we can just give our body element text transform. But before I give it text transform property, let me firstly reload. Can you see I've removed it from our span element now? But let me use text transform uppercase. When I save my document now, I reload. Can you see everything inside our body element turns to uppercase letter? And there is also another way we can do this. Let's say we select it, we say we need anything that is this one. I'm not sure this one is going to work, it's going to be perfect. But let's reload and see. Can you see this one is not perfect? So I want to target only this legend element. So I can see from the body element we have in section. Just in case you guys meet this in any way, that is one of the reasons why I'm trying to do all this. So I don't want you guys to feel like there's any magic right here. I'm targeting the legend element only. Let's reload. Can you see when I reload? The legend element is the only one that is having the uppercase. And we can do this also. Can select only our h1 element also. But select only our h1 element and reload. Can you see? Only the h1 element, all the things inside it turns to uppercase. And we can make this only our what? Span tag. Can you see when I reload? Now can you see only our span tag? And also many ways we can do this. A lot of ways. We are getting to the advanced topic gradually, but I want you guys to know that if you keep performing this, can you see right here? If I give only our body element now like this, can you see only our body element? All our body element is having the uppercase. But when we do this in our just only our when I give it a space and I select p element, so I'm saying globally search for span tag. This is it. That is what this one means. I'm saying globally look for what? The span tag. So when it's look for it, when you find it, it's going to turn only the span tag to uppercase. Let's reload. Can you see? This is span tag. So again, if I would say you should globally look for legend tag. So you can say legend. When I save my document now, can you see only the legend is one that is having the so. And also when I say globally look for legend and also maybe span, in this manner we are going to see what will happen now. Can you see the error is there now because we are not grouping it. So to group something, there is a way we do things. Grouping is used by specifying something like comma or in another dimension. Can you see? This is group. I think globally look for anything that is having legend and also anything that is having span tag or h1 tag, all those stuffs. So or anything that is inside the body element. That's the way we group things. That's why the h1 also stay capitalized. But when we do like this, remove this one, we are going to see what will happen. The h1 is now capitalized. Only the span tag that is capitalized. So there is a lot of ways we can use all these kind of things. I've discussed about this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS selectors. You can check in our channel where we discussed about the CSS selectors for you to be able to follow along easily. So I'll be showing you all these kind of things gently sometimes so you can understand how all this works together. I think I'll have to stop here for now. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.